Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Among Us has finally revealed one of the colors. Before we begin with today's video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, which is called as alpha_fire_gaming. So now let's begin with today's video. So guys, take a look at this tweet. They said May. Then Among Us replied with, we are revealing what they'll be in May, but they won't be out until the update. So that means it won't come in May. The 15 player lobby will not come in May and will come in June. So I cannot wait for that update. And by the way, Among Us has revealed one of the 6 colors, which I'm going to show you later in this video. So the reason why Among Us hasn't yet revealed the colors is because they want to reveal the colors first and then they want to release the new update, which is going to come in June, hopefully. So let me show you their latest tweet. So as you can see here, here's one of the new colors coming to our next big update, and it's blurred, and because I don't want to show it to you guys right now, I want to give you some more information, then I'll reveal the new color. You can go check out their Twitter if you are impatient, but they've written here, we'll reveal more info during at Summer Game Fest. So this Summer Game Fest starts on June 10th, which is a Thursday. So let's take a look at their pinned tweet. The fun begins live on Thursday, June 10th with kickoff live, a spectacular world premiere showcase of announcements with a performance by at Weezer, Day of the Daves and more. So the Among Us developers are going to give us more info on June 10th on the Summer Game Fest. It will be a premiere, so you can go and watch it on June 10th. So if you want more info about this, wait until June 10th, and on June 10th they might also reveal the release date of this 15 player lobby update and what else is coming. So guys, time to reveal the color. Here's one of the new colors coming to our next big update, which is the rose color. So we'll be revealing more information during at Summer Game Fest. So keep an eye out on June 10th. So get ready for June 10th, guys. It's just 20 days away. And as you can see, this is the brand new color. It looks similar to pink, but it's not. So this color looks pretty cool. I cannot wait for the update. Now let's take a look at what's coming in the next update. So guys, this is Among Us developers day vlog, and let me show you what are the bug fixes. So if you don't see a bug mentioned here, know that we are aware of them. Example, missing skins. So in the latest update, the missing skins bug was fixed, and that visual glitches has to be fixed. So in the 15 player lobby update, it might be fixed. So airship uses proper background on create game screen now. So guys, if you create a game on the airship map, the background looks same like the Skeld. So this bug will be fixed and the airship map will use the proper background. Then authentication issues when player try to sign in has been fixed on PC and mobile. Then these all are small bugs which I'm going to tell you now. So ping counter re-added, region text no longer always shows North America even when in other regions, player name left the game, alignment fixed. So guys, if you have noticed that if a player leaves the game, his name will be half visible. So that bug too will be fixed. And Vitals color bug has been fixed. Vitals no longer shows color names at all. So guys, let's hop on to the game of free play, and I'll show you what bug they are talking about. So my name is Sairi Sorrel. I just kept it for fun. So let's go to medical where the vitals is there. We are close enough, and yeah, so we have reached medical. So as you can see here, under brown it's written cyan, and so in the next update the player color name won't be written, so that bug will be fixed. And now talking about the new meeting screen, this is how it looks. So in between the rounds, whichever crewmate died will be shown on the screen, and in a slot also told that the tablet which you see will be the color you choose. So if you're yellow color, the tablet too will be yellow color, or if you're any other color, the tablet will change to that. So yeah, that is pretty cool. And they're also adding an art revamp update, which is going to be pretty cool, which will not be that different, just the lines will be much cleaner and stuff. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and Among Us has finally revealed the new colors which are going to come in the next update. So we have to stay tuned for June 10th. On June 10th they might give us more information. They might also give us the release date for this new update. Until then, bye for now.